We have recently commissioned a project to mitigate, to abate that N2O gas. So if the project is implemented, it will reduce the greenhouse gas emission by about 98%. So it is a project which is currently at tender stage, and we are really looking forward to international bidders to actually come and bid, and then we then do the adjudication, hopefully find somebody who can partner with us so that we can actually implement the project. It is being funded by somebody who would rather not be known that we are doing that with them. Then on the energy transition, Sable historically was known a guzzler for energy. Yes. Our installed capacity was 120, and we would normally operate around 115 megawatts. And of that 115, 10 was for the rest of plant, and 105 was for electrolysis. 2015, October 12, ZESA pulled the plug on us. We are no longer running on that. We are running on 100% importation of the raw material. But clearly, that model is not sustainable. We need to regain local production of the key raw material, which is ammonia. So right now, I like the discussion that happened earlier on, where we are saying banning fossil fuels. It's about the reduction as we target zero or net zero. So we know that the CBM in Gwai and Lupani, which is a fossil fuel. We know there is Invictus in Muzarabani, which is also a fossil fuel, which, by the way, produces the cheapest ammonia and hence the cheapest fertilizer. But there are also these issues that we're talking about. Then there is also another option where we use renewable energy, which is your solar, which is your hydropower, to generate the ammonia, which we call green ammonia, which leads to green fertilizers. So right now at Sable, what we are doing, we are looking at a feasibility study into putting up a 400 megawatt plant, to the north of our site, 400 megawatt plant, and what we need from there is about 100 megawatts for the electrolysis. But then we can enter into these arrangements where we produce more during the day, feed it into the grid, and then during the night we continue by drawing from the grid. So that way we are able then to regain local production capacity of the key raw material, which is ammonia. But not only that, but doing it sustainably as well, in the sense that we reduce emissions and we are using renewables, and we create the green jobs or green fertilizers that we need, and then we ensure that there's food security, but in a sustainable manner.